I always say this, you don't need too many clothes or more clothes to look stylish. You just need to know how to style what you have in a very good way and you are good to go. In today's video, I'll be showing you simple styling tips that every girl should know without trying to do too hard or trying to do too much. So let's get right into today's video. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Beauty of April 7 Style. Here we talk all things faith, fashion and lifestyle. And if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. Tip 1 is that fit is more important than price. The truth is that what makes the difference between a great outfit and an outfit that is just there is the fit. Buying an overly expensive outfit does not guarantee a good fit. So make sure when you are buying outfits, you buy outfits that is your right fit, clothes that fit you, clothes that cinch to your waist, clothes that are a perfect fit for you. The truth is that you can be wearing an affordable outfit, and as long as it is a perfect fit, it looks expensive automatically. But if you wear something that is not a perfect fit, no matter how expensive it is, it wouldn't look nice and it wouldn't look good. It will just look just bland. And you don't need that to look stylish. And like, the number one tip that every girl should know in styling is that the fit is powerful. Fit is very, very powerful. Ask any stylist, they will tell you that fit is very powerful. It's the most powerful tool in styling. Tip 2 is stick to a color palette. One easy way of looking put together is sticking to one or two, three colors. One, two, or three colors. Don't do too many colors that will make you look a mess. Stick to a color palette. I would advise you start with neutral colors. If you're just starting out in looking stylish, I would advise you start with neutral colors. These neutral colors, they are easy for you to blend and just combine together and match with other colors. So stick to one, two, three colors. The truth is that when you stick to one, two, three colors, it makes your outfit look intentional and you do not look random. But if you just start packing too many colors, you might look like a masquerade. And we don't want to be looking like a masquerade. Yeah, no. We don't want to look like a masquerade. We want to look put together, want to look stylish, and want to look like really comfortable in whatever it is that we're wearing. Tip 3 is that you should balance your outfit. If your outfit is loose on the top, then you should go for fitted bottom. And if your outfit is fitted on the top, then you should go for loose bottom. Just vice versa. Don't go for loose top and loose bottom. Except probably you're wearing like a comfy nighttime look or a pajamas that you just want to use to like maybe just relax or chill. But if you're going out, like try to balance your feet. Balance it with making sure that if the upper body is loose, then the lower body has to be perfect, has to be like a perfect fit. Why if the lower body is loose, then the upper body has to be like really perfect. The truth is that balance keeps your outfit flattering and comfortable at all time. And this is the key to looking stylish, balancing your outfit. Tip number 4 is accessories. If you are in this channel or you've been an OG subscriber in this channel, you know that I always talk about accessorizing, that accessories elevate your look. So the truth about accessories is that they turn your clothes from looking clothes to making it an outfit. So an accessory or accessorizing just takes your clothes from looking bland to looking like really good and really like, fire. So try to accessorize the right way. You don't need too many accessories. You just need the right ones that will make you look good and comfortable. Don't try to over accessorize so you don't feel like you are a masquerade. Oh, I don't even know the right word to say, but don't overly accessorize. Just go with the right accessories, like very simple accessories, structured accessories. Don't over accessorize. Then number 5 tip, which is the last tip, is that you dress for your lifestyle. The truth is that your clothes should make you feel comfortable, they should make you feel relaxed, they should make you feel chill. So when you wear clothes that do not make you feel comfortable, do not make you feel relaxed, do not make you feel chill, do not make you feel stylish, or do not make you feel like just Just there, you know what I mean? Then I'll suggest you try to dress for your lifestyle. So if you're running an errand, wear clothes that are errand worthy. If you're going for an event, wear clothes that are event worthy. If you're just going for probably like a dinner date or hang out with friends, brunch, then just wear clothes that will look the part. But make sure in all, make sure it is comfortable, it is easeful. The truth is that if you're not comfortable in an outfit, you'll just lose the whole touch and you'll just lose the whole touch and it will not be nice at all. Comfort is key in looking stylish. So dress for your lifestyle. Don't try to like copy other people that, oh, because this person dresses like this, then I want to dress like that. If the person dresses like that and you try to dress like that and you're not comfortable in it, then it is not you being stylish. Take for instance, this Afrobeat artist, Ariasta, she likes wearing shorts, even Tyler, they like wearing very short stuff. And imagine you're going for errands and you wear something that short like they wear and things that are revealing like they wear. That is not your lifestyle. It doesn't suit your lifestyle. It doesn't suit you going for an errand. You'll just look you'll be uncomfortable. You'll just look so unfit. And you will not even like it because you'll be the hostess, everybody will be looking at you, everybody will be like, and you'll just be so uncomfortable. So don't say because this person dresses like this then I ought to dress like that. Dress for your lifestyle. If you want to go to work, dress appropriately for work. If you're running errands, dress appropriately for errands, for dates, for brunch, whatever it is, just dress right for the right event and look comfortable in it. The truth is that the best outfits are the ones that makes you look comfortable and confident in it. And a bonus tip is that confidence is part of style. You ought to look confident in what you are wearing. Carry yourself with confidence. If you are confident in what you are wearing or you show up looking confident, then it just makes everything blend and just makes everything put together. So don't be shy. Try to like boost your confidence and have your confidence looking up there. If you thoroughly enjoyed this video, my loves, please do not forget to subscribe. Please get me to 1K subscribers. Like, share, comment, and I have a very interesting video coming up next week. So do not forget to like clock in next week. You need to clock in next week. Bye. I see you in my next video.